What's up guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to build this Eiffel Tower lamp we've currently got for sale. Hopefully at the end you'll have something that looks like this. First thing I'm going to do is just laid out all my parts, and I'm going to speed this up because it's a 25-minute build, and I'm sure you don't want to watch me mess around for 25 minutes, so cut it down a little bit. I'm going to start by gluing the base together. I've got a hot glue gun and a little craft knife. Just somewhere clean and tidy to work. We'll start by gluing the base together, and I haven't built one of these for a while, so we actually come up with a little bit of a better technique to getting the glue to stick a bit better in a few minutes, but you can watch me make a few mistakes at first and burn myself with the glue gun and whatnot. So I start with the base. I think that was a good place to start, and I'm just applying a little bit of glue to the corners. I was going to say don't use loads because you'll mess up and need to take some apart, but you can see in a minute I might cut it out so you don't see that bit. Once you've glued the base, just work your way around the top. It does only fit one way, so you may need to flip it and turn it around until you get the holes to line up. Now I'm just putting a dab of glue on just to hold that in place. Next, I think I'm going to do, I started on the tool section of tower, but then realised that this section actually goes on first. And I actually switched from putting it together and then applying the glue to applying the glue to the piece and then dropping it in place, and I found that the glue dried much quicker, and it was just cleaner. It's easier to do, so do it that way. Okay, you've got another layer to go on now. Same again, it'll only fit one way. You just have to work your way around, make sure it fits in the tabs and get it nice and flush. Oh, look at that. I almost look like I know what I'm doing in this section now. I've got it sorted. Glue on first, and then just hold your piece on for a few seconds till the glue dries. There you go. Glue on the tab. We're getting there now. Same again, you got two strips to do this time though, so you got to be quick before the glue dries. That's it, a few seconds and you're done. Final cap, a bit more glue just to hold that in place. And a dry fit, always nice. No, Ben, you've glued that now, you can't take that off. Okay, and we've got the spire, or whatever it's called. There you go, spire's in place. Sorry it's off shot, off camera a little bit. It's quite a tall thing to have to get everything in. And okay, next I'm working on the little rails that go around the edges. I think there's 3 lots to do. Same again, I'm putting glue on the either side of the tab and then putting it in place. Just made it a little easier. I just got a bit of hot glue in the way there and just cutting it out of the way. Okay, spire's looking pretty good. Same again for the other 2 rails we've got. Dry fit first and then just work your way around, glue on the part, and then a couple of seconds and it's done. That's it. Last set of rails, just the same procedure over again. Dry fit first, then just work your way around. Glue gun is absolutely smoking at this point. You can see it coming off it. I think I'm about to hurt myself. I've sped it up, so at least the pain was quick for you. Just getting rid of the little stringy bits of glue and things. Just tidy up the model. Okay, and we're all done. We've got a set of lights that come with the kit. I made a goof here, so of course if you want them to run all the way through it, you have to start at the bottom, not like me. I realised that in a few seconds, and yeah, feed it through. Feed it through the bottom first, Ben. That's it. Up the middle, and then we want most of the lights in the spire. I'm just gluing on the adding a bit more glue because we didn't glue the centre section onto the base, so you can just about get to the tabs to add a bit of glue, and it'll hold it all together. It does hold together quite well anyway, but a bit of the glue save it falling apart every time you need to move it or something. Okay, that's it. Figured it out this time. Get your official LED pusher tool from the kitchen. That's it. Get all your lights arranged nicely how you want them. Snap your spire into space, into place, and a dab of glue, and that's it. It's about 25 minutes to glue that together. So hopefully, if you've been following along, you should have something that looks like this now. Looks very nice at night. There's a nice glamour shot of it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.